Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm gonna be telling you how to catch one of these guys right here behind me. Alright, so starting off, you have to beat that place in order to go to the village, and then you'll beat the gym. And once you've beaten the gym, you wanna just follow me. You just wanna go back to this place. Oops, my loomian's covering it. So go here. As you see that guy, he hasn't finished the gym yet. He has to go to the village. So once you completed the gym, you want to come here. It's in front of that temple that you just defeated before the gym. Alright, all you want to do is just click on this, and you'll burn it. And you can find your legendary roaming loomian right here, and other stuff, even the Halloween. There's a Halloween update. Stick out for it, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!